That's VDD VSS on the top rail, VDD VSS on the bottom rail. Nothing special is happening on the pick. I'm not touching. This is the pot that's active. I'm not touching it. And the voltage divider is in back 4K7 twice. And I get a little bit of jitter. And then every once in a while, whoop, I get these movements, irregularities. I don't know why the pick is not doing anything else, and then it stabilizes again. But some of them were like jagged down to here, like, and then they would come back, and I'm not touching any wires. Everything is just laid out on a desk. It comes around. That ground is on a capacitor. I don't know if that makes a deal. Whereas the other one, the other connections, I'm using header pins for all the other ones. But every once in a while, now, is it my scope? I don't think so, because I observed a voltage change with my ordinary voltmeter. This reading is right across the voltage divider. And this guy had reacted wildly, but then, you're touching leads. The yellow, the VDD, is now above. Let's see if I can bring it back. Take off that menu. Let's bring it down to here. Let's move the blue. Take off the menu. Can move the blue below it. That's the VSS. Make the VSS about here. That orangey color, that's the VDD on the bottom rail. Let's put it about here so we could see the movement. And green's been stable. So it's VSS VDD, VSS VDD, going up the two rails on each side of the pig that's reading the pot and the voltage divider. Yeah, and there's the resistor for the backlight. The transistor is not working. It's not. I could even still get a bit of jiggle. 7/8, 7/8. See, oh, look at how the voltage all of a sudden it rose. This guy is at 458 now. And the yellow has drifted off the scale now. But this guy, the TPS 56637, it is stable at 492. It's really about 494, 497 the actual reading when I use my TES multimeter, but it's close enough, and it doesn't move. There goes yellow again. Peach is coming up too, but the VSS has moved up too. The green one doesn't move. This one has, oopsie, it's moved back down because it was on that line. This guy was on that line. Wait, stops that line. This guy was on this guy. So I don't know why it does these bounces. I mean, my code is bare minimum. If it would be in the code, there would be a frequency in it, but there's no regularity to why the voltage floats up and floats back down.